Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to do a weigh-in and then I'm going to do a fridge tour so you can see how much food I've eaten, and yeah, let's see how much weight I've gained, and yeah, or if I dropped weight. Let's see. So I've gained weight. I was 65 yesterday. Now I'm 67.2. So I've gained another 2 pounds. That is great. I'm almost 70. Hopefully, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It's working. The vitamins are working. So I'm taking my psych meds. I'm taking my vitamins every day. I'm taking my vitamin D twice a day, my vitamin B12 every morning, and it's working. I'm taking my mirtazapine at night because it works better. I don't have any bad dreams, and it takes the depression and the anxiety away. So that pill I need, like, that's the pill that I need to be taking every single day, not the risperidone, which the risperidone is the antipsychotic. The mirtazapine is an antidepressant for bipolar. So yeah, so let me show you everything that I've eaten so far, and let's see. Yeah, so let me show you. There's mangoes. We have a mango tree in the backyard, and we have so many mangoes left. It's crazy. It's that time of year. I've eaten everything but 2 bananas. They're looking pretty ripe, and I don't think I'm gonna eat them, but I'm sure my dad would buy more. So I've had that many bananas. I still have half of a loaf of bread. I haven't touched that. I've eaten that many crackers. Well, my boyfriend's helped me too. Like, he comes in here and he helps himself every now and then. In here, I still have the chicken nuggets. I have not touched that yet. My dad has eaten the Popeyes. I haven't eaten them yet. But the chicken nuggets are still there. I've had one thing of orange juice. I have one left. Also, there was some provolone cheese that I just finished off today. This is what's left out of the new bag. We still have the ham, we still have the mozzarella sticks, and we still have that. So right now I'm just going through everything that's been open, and that's what I've been focusing on, is everything that's open. We have 1 pack of hot dogs left. I had the 2 packs that were in there. I finished that off. We have about 4 potatoes in this bag. And then we have another 5 in this bag. I have another 4 in this bag, which I need to start getting to. And then I have these sweet potatoes, but they have gone bad, so these I'm going to throw out. But yeah, those have gone bad. I didn't get a chance to finish them. In the case of water, I've been drinking lots of water. I'm already on my second bottle today of water. I had one this morning, and I drank a whole bottle of the citrus green tea. I have about 4 more bottles of the green tea here. That's all I was drinking for the past week, so yeah, so I've cut back on that as well. We still have some Jell-O cups. I had the orange and peach. This morning I had 1 cup of that. And yeah, my boyfriend's been eating the strawberry. He likes that. I like the orange. So, and then we still have the green tea. I haven't opened that yet. Now, back here, as you can see, it's getting empty. I still have all of these burritos here. These are the chimichangas. I still have a full bag of that. I just opened this today. I had one of these. These are the chicken melts. I had one this morning. I also had a corn dog. Let's see if I can. So we still have the State Fair corn dogs. I actually had one this morning, so, and it's a 4-box. So I've only had 2 of these since opening, so I still have a whole box of that to get through. These sausage, pancake sausage, Jimmy Dean pancakes. I wasn't a fan, but I will eat them. I'll eat them without syrup because syrup is extremely sweet, and I just don't care for syrup. So I'll do without, but I'll just eat it plain the way it is. I have to get through that. So let me check the expiration date on that actually. Let me see, because it's been in here. And I haven't touched it because it's really not my favorite, and October 12, 17. Okay, this one is no longer good anymore, but let me put all this away. I have these left, the Tyson Any'tizers chicken chips, the barbecue flavor. I have, I think, 4 more left in this bag. I'm going to just finish it off today as a snack. I'm actually going to put that in the toaster right after this video. I'm just going to finish it off. I ate the sour cream ones, those are gone. I ate the White Castle burgers, those are gone. And the Philly cheesesteak, those are gone. So I have about half a bag of these Perdue chicken strips. This I haven't touched yet. These are the mini beef empanadas, but I think my dad did. So I'm gonna try that later tonight and see how that tastes. He wants me to try new foods, and yeah, so I'm gonna try that later tonight. But for the New York Texas toast, I have about this much left. I ate the remainder 3, so that's gone. But yeah, that I've been eating well. So I have plenty of food left to get through. But yeah, that is it. That is my fridge tour. That's all the food that I've ate, everything that I've been, gone through so far. And yeah, I'm really happy with my weight gain. I started out at 62 pounds. I've gained 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 pounds. I've gained 5 pounds. And I'm so happy. I gotta keep eating. I gotta keep taking my medicine and my vitamins so I can keep the weight on. I will be calling my doctor because I have to make another appointment anyway. I need to go in and I gotta do more blood work. So I'll keep you updated on that as well. But yeah, I gotta get my mask. I gotta order my mask later, and yeah. So this is gonna be my 3rd time doing blood work within 8 months. I did blood work in October, and it came back low potassium. I did blood work in January. It came back vitamin D deficient and vitamin B12 deficient with dehydration. So I got to do it again. So hopefully I can get to the doctors probably by June. I can go. When I get my mask, I'll make an appointment, or I'll just go in as a walk-in, and I'll just do blood work again, and I'll tell them my concerns, and I'll force them to do the blood work. And I'll figure out what's going on, because I am worried, I am concerned as well. I'm not urinating as much. It's been once an hour I have to go. That's still frequent, but it's not as much as it was. I am drinking more water, so it's still concerning to me, but I'll keep you guys updated. If you like this video and you want to see more, I can do weekly weigh-ins, so you can see my my weight gain or my weight loss, and I can keep you guys updated and everything. So let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.